Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to paint a robin bird using gouache paint. If you are interested to know about the kind of paper and the gouache brand that I am using for this video, then you can check the description below. You will find all the materials listed there. Now at this stage, as always, I am just focusing on the drawing part. I say it again and again in my videos is that a good painting starts with a good drawing. So you must give your full attention to the drawing irrespective of the subject matter that you are painting. Now once I am happy with the drawing, I am just trying to define the basic colors of this bird. This is like mapping, which will include the modeling and the details part. Now at this stage, the basic colors that I am playing with is vermilion mixed with a bit of yellow ochre for the neck region of this bird, and the body is containing a lot of grey tones which I prepared by mixing black, Prussian blue, burnt sienna and yellow ochre mixed with tinted white. At this stage, I just want to get rid of the white of the paper, and so for the background I have used violet mixed with a lot of impasto white to paint an expressive and loose background which will create contrast with the detailed bird figure in the later stage of this painting. Now you can see that I am just working in real time, and what I am doing is I am just trying to establish the texture of the feathers in the area above the eye. You can see that how I am just using the brush to make one stroke at a time, keeping the direction of the stroke in mind, which is the key here while painting the feathers, because you want the direction of the feathers look natural and not scattered in all directions. I will just work in the similar fashion to establish the texture of the feathers in the lower body of this bird. Now you can see that I am working in the head, where there is a lot of tonal variations and color variations as well, which I am trying to establish keeping the direction of the light in mind, because in this case the light is actually hitting the bird's head in a very subtle manner, so light is always the key in a realistic painting. Apart from this, I am also trying to blend the colors to have a more refined and realistic look. Now I am just working on the wings of the bird. This part of the painting is very important from the prospect of holding the painting together, because it has the transition of both smooth and the hard edges. In order to define the darker areas of these feathers, I have used burnt sienna mixed with ivory black and a bit of Prussian blue to have a calm sensation, as Prussian blue is a cool color. I have also used gambogiolo in order to highlight the top feathers. Now I am just painting the bluish grey feathers on the lower body of this bird. As you can see, like the earlier stage, I am just trying to maintain the direction of the strokes with one brush stroke at a time to develop the texture of the feathers. In realism, it's all about understanding the process of working with layers, because you are not going to paint anything all of a sudden. It will take time and a lot of layers to make that happen. Now I am just painting a few darker shadows in the feathers to create dimension and depth. Now I am just working on the branch of the tree where the bird is sitting. This tree trunk has a lot of texture in it, which I am trying to paint. The other thing that I have to keep in mind is the direction of the light, because it will eventually define the dimension of the trunk, otherwise it will look very flat. Now this is only the first part of this painting. The second part will be uploaded next week, which will cover the final piece. The reason for splitting the video into two parts is because some of you are asking for longer videos where I can show some real-time footage. As in this video as well, you can see that I was able to add few minutes of real-time footage, which will surely help you to understand my process even further. So hopefully I will be able to continue this method with my upcoming videos as well. Apart from this, if you like this work so far, then please do leave your valuable comments and suggestions, and also do like and share this video. Thank you so much for your time guys. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to support my work, then please do like, comment and share my works, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, which is very important so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video.